Hello everyone, this is Navjot Singh Mali. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Highlander Affiliate. So let me tell you about myself first. So I am Navjot Singh from Australia. I do affiliate marketing and we are earning like 5 to 10k every single month. So if you want more information about affiliate marketing, there will be a link in my description. You can go over there and check. There will be so many other links as well. So you make yourself comfortable on my channel, and thank you for those who are subscribing, who are supporting, who are liking my videos, and who are pressing the bell button as well. So make sure you like this video if you find this helpful. Okay, so in this video what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how you can cancel your friend requests. Okay, so what I mean friend request, like what we normally do is we just keep sending friend requests to other people. And what happen, someday if you keep sending the friend request like daily, like 20, 30, 40 like that, so what Facebook does is they put you in the Facebook jail, and that will disable your account. Not like all the way, but you won't be able to send any more friend requests. So if you wanna get rid of that problem, so you have to fix the problem first. So I'm going to show you how you can do that. Okay, once you own your Facebook, so this is on my desktop, and you can do your from your phone as well. You just follow these steps and just do whatever I'm going to teach in this video. So first of all, you will see your Facebook page. So you there will be a second option under your profile, friends. Okay, so you just simply click on that. So you will find a first option like friend requests. Okay, you open that one, and this is the area you will see your pending friend request, if you haven't confirmed them. Okay, so once you done that, so okay, so you will see over here, if you go back. Okay, let me come back in. So you will see view sent requests. You have to click on that, and there you go. So I have like 126 pending, like friend request, who people didn't accept my request yet. So what I have to do is like just simply cancel it, like cancel, cancel, cancel. I don't want to cancel because I just sent some friend request today. So I will be going down, so I will see like who is the old one. So make sure you delete the old one first, because you if you send it today, so you don't have to cancel it. So you go all the way down and start canceling the friend request like this. Okay, these people they didn't accept your friend request and it's been pending. If you have like more than 500 or 600, and Facebook will start putting you in Facebook jail, make sure you come here and clean this section. I have like 126 pending. So that is okay. If it goes more than 500, and there will be a problem for you, and Facebook will treat you like a as a prisoner. Okay, so make sure you be safe with this. And thank you so much for staying with me in this video. And let me tell you about myself once more time. And I am Navjot Singh from Australia, and I do affiliate marketing and earning 5 to 10k USD dollars per month. And if you want more information about affiliate marketing, there will be a link in my description. And make sure you there will be so many other links, and you can create free accounts. You can create a Canva. You will get a 30-day free trial. You can make your Beacons account and you will get $20. And there will be a CoinSpot account. You can create your account over there and you will get $20 as well. So there's so many. I keep options over there, so you can always go there and check. And make sure you subscribe, make sure you like this video, make sure you share this video with your friends if they don't know how to cancel these requests. Okay, thank you so much staying with me, guys. I will see you in my next video. Thank you.